You've been comfortable for way too long. So today, I'm ending that. That routine you hide behind. That, I'll start Monday. That safe little box you built. I'm about to tear it down right now. Comfort isn't safety. It's a slow death. Every day you stay comfortable is a day you don't grow, don't change, don't become who you're capable of being. So here's what we're doing. Right now, one thing that scares you. One message you've been avoiding. One workout you've been skipping. One truth you've been dodging. Do it in the next 60 minutes. Not tomorrow. Not when I'm ready. Now. Because ready is a myth people use to stay comfortable forever. Comfort zone destroyed. Your move. Comment done when it's handled. Keep rising.